In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe fonts. If you're looking to enhance your design projects with high-quality, stylish typefaces, Adobe Fonts is a fantastic resource. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This is the central hub for managing all your Adobe applications and services, including access to Adobe Fonts. Next, ensure that you're signed in with your Adobe ID. This is crucial as your subscription and font access are tied to this account. If you're not signed in, go ahead and enter your login details. Now, let's head over to the Adobe Fonts website. You can do this by navigating via your web browser or through a direct link within the Creative Cloud app. Once you're on the site, you'll find a treasure trove of fonts at your disposal. Adobe Fonts provides a diverse range of typefaces, which can be explored by categories such as serif, sans serif, script, or more specific properties like weight and width. You can also see what's trending by checking fonts organized by popularity. As you browse, take your time to explore and click on any font that catches your eye. You'll want to look for the option to add font. Clicking this will automatically sync the font to your Adobe account, making it available on all your Adobe applications right away. This is one of the perks of using Adobe Fonts. No need for downloads or installations on your machine. Just a simple click and they're ready to use. Once you've added a font to your collection and it's synced, let's move on to using it in Adobe Acrobat. Open Acrobat and locate the Tools section. From there, click on Edit PDF. This option allows you to make changes to text and other elements within your PDF documents. To use your newly added font, select either Add Text or Edit Text within the editing tools. This will open up text boxes where you can easily switch the typeface to the one you've selected via Adobe Fonts. Whether you're working on a presentation, brochure, or any document that could benefit from a design upgrade, this feature lets you effortlessly enhance your text's appearance with professional fonts. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly integrate beautiful, high-quality fonts into your projects. Adobe Fonts is a valuable asset for anyone in the creative field, making the process of accessing and using fonts both simple and highly effective. So, jump in, explore the myriad options available, and elevate your designs to the next level with Adobe Fonts.